today is my day off and I decided that I wanted to have a me day. I have been really good lately about not like overspending and over purchasing. I haven't been to Zara in a while. And I recently just got my yearly bonus and I've already allocated everything to my savings and my investments and all of that, even though investing right now is so sad. But I did that and I allocated, this shirt is gonna drive me nuts. I allocated a small amount to just kind of like have a day when I can just, I don't know, go grab a couple of pieces. Nothing serious, just like stopping at H&M, Zara, maybe. I love having a day when I can go shop and I can go get lunch. And lately, I've been really loving Nordstrom, like little cafe lunch. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm kind of getting my day started late. So I really wanted to do this early in the morning, but I really have been lacking sleep lately. So I prioritize just sleeping and laying in bed this morning. So it's almost 1:30. And the mall that I'm going to gets pretty crazy. So I'm probably gonna have like only like 2 hours of good peace. And then it's gonna be like insane. I'm probably gonna be in traffic coming home. So it always sounds like a bad idea, but I'm looking forward to it. Not doing too much makeup today. I mostly have on some tinted moisturizer, mostly for the sunscreen. So as you can see, I have bag under my eyes. Like I'm tired. Like I've been doing a lot lately. And it's, yeah, I really needed the sleep that I got today. And unfortunately, when you're overly tired, the bags don't go away in one day. You have to actually rest for a few days for the bags to go. So not doing too much with the makeup, just something simple. Just some gloss. I've really been loving this Charlotte Tilbury gloss. This is the Pillow Talk Medium Deep of the Pillow Talk Big Lip Plump Gasm. This is the only plumper that I can actually withstand because most lip plumpers make it feel like my lips are on fire and I cannot stand it. So I'll show y'all my outfit really quick, but this is just my top. It kind of goes well with the hat, brown and brown going on. So I'm about to leave the house. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a polo hat. I'm wearing this top from Charcoal Clothing. It is an Australian brand. And then I'm wearing these are my favorite pants. Like I have these in so many different colors. I want to say they're from the Gap. They're just like these slacks. I have them in green, blue, white, black. I absolutely love them. And then I'm wearing these like Steve Madden sandals, which go really well with the shirt and the hat. And then my purse, it kind of looks like it's gray, but if you look at it in the light, it's like a greenish color. And I just recently bought this for myself for my birthday. So I feel like this goes really well with the pants. So y'all, it's the next day. And so yesterday after I got back from my grocery shopping, I was so exhausted. I had to go to 2 different grocery stores to find what I was looking for and I ended up making 2 dishes. I made DG, which is like a Cameroonian dish, and then I made yam porridge, which is we have yam porridge in Cameroon, but I made more of the Nigerian version of yam porridge. So I made 2 dishes, just to kind of last me a little longer. I've been liking to eat at home lately and not out so much. Saying this after I ate out yesterday is crazy, but I decided to sleep in again today. And then I woke up and I did some budgeting. Like I told you guys yesterday, I did, let me bring you guys over here so I can do stuff while I'm talking. Like I told you guys yesterday, I received my yearly bonus, and I'm also doing like my monthly budget. I'm readjusting some things for the year. So that's what I've been working on this morning. It's just making sure that I allocate everything where it's supposed to go. Pretty much put everything like in my investment account, my savings account. I do have a travel savings account that's separate this year because I will be doing one major trip this year for one of my friends' birthdays. And I've already been to that country, so I know it costs a lot. So I'm already starting to budget for that now. But yeah, just putting everything away so that I can clearly see how much I have left over, how much I have to play with and all of that. But I've already pretty much spent that yesterday when I went out because I didn't do a lot, but I did quite a bit. So this morning, I am actually getting ready to go to the gym right now because I didn't go yesterday. So I have my water, I have my pre-workout. I'm gonna get my headphones and everything. I'm also gonna see if I can get a brow appointment today because I get my brows laminated. And when you get your brows laminated, you don't have to do them as often because I feel like a brow wax and lamination is lasting me like almost 2 months. Because the last time I did my brows was like almost in January. So it has lasted a really long time. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get in today with my girl to get my brows waxed and laminated. With that, usually for the gym, I will take a Let Me Diblo because I am on a GLP-1 medication. I am on Zepbound, and it really stops all of your, like, what do you call it? Like, your intestines, your digestive system. I'm sorry. The second one that I take is Let Me Tone. I don't know if I like this one or not, but I bought it. And I'm going to finish it. This is supposed to be supposed to regulate your metabolism, support lean body mass, and promote a healthy body composition. And right now I'm really focusing on body recomposition, which means as you're losing weight, you're building muscle at the same time. I mean, I've done that throughout my whole workout, my whole weight loss journey is losing weight and putting on muscle at the same time, which is frustrating because it feels like you're losing weight at a slower pace than everybody else. We have everything ready to go. I'm going to head to the gym. So my brows are done. They're laminated and they're waxed. I love them. They look great. Now there is a Whole Foods right across the street, and I wanted to go grab a couple of things. And I'm wondering to myself, it's just right across the street. Should I just like walk over there? Should I drive over there? I think I'm just gonna walk over there because parking is like so crazy around here, and just getting across the street is gonna take forever. So I think it's just better if I just walk over there, grab what I need, and just come back across the street. I just got home and I went to the post office. I went to Whole Foods. I got everything that I needed done. And I just walked into my house. The first smell that hit me was food. Like, the house smells like food, even though I cleaned everything yesterday. I hate when my house smells like just oil and food and like, ugh, that disgusts me. So I'm gonna attempt to see if this diffuser can help. I know it can, but I already opened the door because I cooked 2 meals yesterday, so I know the house is heavily smells like food. So I actually like to use these 2 that I got on Amazon. They're like the hotel collection. It smells so good. Like, they make your house smell like a very expensive hotel. One of them is a dupe, I guess, for the scent of Baccarat Rouge. So I do a little bit of that first, which is this one. And then I think I have these links in my Amazon store. Then I do this one as well. I can't even describe the scent, but just think of like an expensive hotel or a spa. When you walk in, that first whiff that you get, that's how it smells. I'm about to go take a shower, then I'm going to relax for the rest of the day. And I'm gonna see if I can catch up on some Bridgerton. So Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I know this was a bit chaotic, but I'm getting back into vlogging, so give me a little bit of grace, and we'll have probably better vlogs coming up, okay, when I have more exciting things happening. So thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.